Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of the Sonic Oasis. So today I'm going to be doing something different. I am going to be unboxing this mic right here, which is the Tascam TM-250U. So this is a USB condenser mic. Since I've started this channel, I've been using this lav mic, which is a ceramic lav mic. Relatively inexpensive. Just pop it on, put it on your phone, and you're recording. But there's been a lot of pros and cons to this setup, and I was just simply looking for a better option of recording my voice that's available in the market. I was basically just looking for an upgrade. So eventually I settled on getting this USB mic by Tascam. So disclaimer, if you're watching this video, I am not a sound engineer. I am not an expert on mics. I am basically a guy who just plays keyboards on the internet, and I'm just simply looking for a way to upgrade my mic situation right now. So if you're watching this looking for some technicalities and a detailed review, this is definitely not the video for you. I'm basically just going to be unboxing this and comparing the sound from my old setup to this new setup. Okay, so the reason why I ended up getting this specific mic was because of the price. Number one, the portability, and the fact that I do not need an audio interface makes this mic so much more portable. I could just plug it into a laptop and start recording. And another reason is I could effectively use this mic on my smartphone as well. I haven't tested this out, and I'm going to test it in this video as well if this mic will work on my smartphone. Okay, so I'm just going to go right straight into the unboxing part of this video. Okay, so this is the box. On this side it gives you the supercardioid pattern and the frequency response of the mic. This side it will tell you what is included. It says it comes with a USB cable, a mic holder, a mini desk stand, and an owner's manual. And I think this is the actual size of the mic. So let's go straight into the unboxing. So this is the owner's manual. And a USB-C. It's a USB 2.0 on one side, and it's a USB-C on the other side. And I think this is about 2 meters or more, maybe 2.5 meters. And this is the mic holder. And this is the desktop stand, tripod-ish. And then lastly, the actual mic. So the mic has a very simple layout. It's got a mute button, the gain dial, and a volume dial, and this volume dial controls the headphone input. And these are all your inputs and outputs on the mic. So this is the USB-C portion that goes straight into your laptop and feeds directly into your DAW of choice. And this side of the mic, and this is your standard jack that connects to your headphones. So if you want to directly monitor the sound coming out of the mic before it gets to your computer, you just plug in your headphones in here and you'll be able to get direct monitoring with no latency essentially. Okay, so I'm just gonna get this plugged in and then do a sound comparison. Okay, so we're all plugged in. And right now I'm recording via this mic. So the audio that you're hearing right now is through the Tascam mic. Usually when I record my videos, there's a keyboard on the desk, and that means I don't really have too many options of where I can place the mic. So it's either I hold the mic on my hand, just like I am doing right now, or I have it placed on my desk a few centimeters away. So that's what we're going to test now. I'm just going to put the mic about 15 centimeters away and see if that setup will work. So this is roughly how I would have it set up. My keyboard right here, my mic here, and obviously you can still see my face. The mic is roughly about 15 to 30 centimeters from where I'm sitting right now. I had to increase the gain slightly to get a nice signal. Yeah, so right now you're still hearing the Tascam mic, and then now I'm going to switch over to this lav mic so you can get a feel of this setup versus the Tascam. So right now I'm still talking through the lav mic, which is an omnidirectional mic. Okay, and then now you're hearing the Tascam mic 2, 3, 4. I don't really know what to say right now. So I usually put noise reduction on my mics because the light that I use has a fan and the fan is really loud, so I have to like take that out. So right now you're going to hear the sound without the noise reduction. And this is what this mic sounds like without the noise reduction right now. And then this is what the lav mic sounds like without the noise reduction. Okay, and now I am going to put the noise reduction back on this mic. So now, right now you're hearing this mic with noise reduction. And then now I'm going to put noise reduction on the lav mic. So right now you're listening to the lav mic with noise reduction. So right now I'm obviously not monitoring the sound. I don't have my headphones on. Have no idea what this mic sounds like until I actually edit this video. But let me know in the comment section, what do you think? Was this an upgrade? Was this a downgrade from my original setup? Okay, so I did say that this mic could potentially work with a smartphone, and I'm gonna try that out because that would be a huge benefit if it can. So what I have with me here is a USB-C to USB port, well, USB hub. So I'm going to connect this to my Android phone, right? And then I'm going to connect the mic to the USB hub and hope for the best. Okay, so the mic is getting power from what I can see. So it is getting power. Now it's a matter of, is it getting sound? So now let's see if it's getting any sound. Just going to go to the audio recorder, and it's saying external mic will be used, so I'm assuming it's referring to this mic since it's the only thing plugged in. And now let's see. Okay, I'm just gonna try and confirm if it is the actual mic that's recording and not the internal mic on the phone. I'm just gonna drop the volume all the way down on the mic, and it also drops down all the way on the phone. And I'm just gonna increase the volume on the phone, sorry, on the mic, and it's also increasing on the waveforms on the phone. So yeah, the mic definitely works on the phone, and that is so awesome because now I can just go on the field with my phone and the USB mic, and I could pretty much record wherever I go. I don't have to bring a laptop. I don't have to bring an audio interface or anything like that. Phone, mic, and we're set to go. Oh, and by the way, the audio that you're hearing right now is coming from the phone. All right, so it's time to wrap up this video. As I said, I am no expert. I am no sound engineer. I'm basically just trying to get better audio for my channel. And I think so far that this will work. I think going forward, I might buy one of those mic stand brackets that are flexible to just move in and out of the way. And I think that'll work for my setup, seeing that I've got keyboards, well, a keyboard that I put on here, and sometimes I need it out of the way quickly, and then if I need to pull the mic back in, I'll be able to do so quickly. So yeah, that was the unboxing, and those are my closing remarks. As I said, I still haven't heard the actual audio, and I'll only hear it when I actually edit the video. So let me know in the comments what you think. Is this an upgrade or not? Until the next time, I'll see you on the next one.